Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about the 15 most useful commands, not 5, not 10, but 15 most useful commands in AutoCAD. So first that we will start with is the W block command in AutoCAD. So what does this command actually do? Let's say you want to share this file to a friend, but if you want to share this file to your friend, then you have to save it, close it, and then share it with any of the means. But what this W block command help with is that you just write W. That's right, W. And the first command that say W block, W over here, just press enter over here. So what does this command actually do is that it creates the block of this element in a different file. Wherever the location you want, just press on these three dots right over here and select the direction, the file folder there, that you want for this file. So yeah, that's all what the command, and just press OK, and it will save that file, and now you can share that file to your client, to your colleague, to your friend, without closing your in use file, which is this. So that's what was the first command, that was the W block command. The second command we go with is the dim continue command. So what does the dim continue command do is, let's say I have this dimension right over here, and I also want to put the dimension from here to here again. So what does this command do? Just write dim continue right over here, which is dim continue, DIMCONT, and press enter to win. Then select the dimension that you want to continue. So I want to continue this dimension for the next line right over here. So just select a particular point which you want to the dimension to end, and then you can again continue till whatever points that you want, whatever distances that you want. You don't have to select every time two points, and then then you have to drag the dimension line and do all the things. So this is the most shortcut command that you are going to learn for dimensioning in AutoCAD. So the third command that we are going with is the match properties command, which is MA, which says match properties right over here. So what does command match property actually do is, let's say this is in a layers of columns, okay, and this is in the layers of wall. So the match property command matches the property of the selected object to your desired object. So let's say I want to put this line in the columns layer. So I will just write MA, which is match property, and press enter. Select the desired object, and select the object there that you want to match property with. So as you can see now over here, this both objects are in the same layer. So that is what the match property command do in AutoCAD. So let's start with the next command, which is the align command. Align command. I've also made a particular video just on the align command, so you can go and watch that too. So align command. So what does this align command do is, actually, let's say you have a line over here like this, and you want to place this your whole object, which is right over here. You want to align this to this line. Let's say I want to align this center line to this size of line, and so it is really simple. Just you have to select the whole object that you want to align, and then select a point, the first point, and select the first destination point right over here, and just press space bar, and the center line will be aligned to your selected line perfectly, precisely, and in a very nice way. So this is what the align command actually do. So that's all was for the align command. For the fifth command that we are going is the di command, the distance command, which is distance command, which is right over here. So what does this distance command do? Let's say you don't have this dimensions and you just want to check the dimension of from here to here to just for a quick check kind of a thing. So you can just select a first point and you can select the second point, and it will tell you in whatever units your file is. So right now my file is in inches, so it is telling me that from this point to this point is 24 inches, which is 2 feet of distance. This is a very quick, just to check that you are going in a right direction or not. This command is used for that. So yeah, this was about the di distance command right over here. And the next command that we are going with is the divide command, div command, which is also known as divide. Divide spelling is wrong. Okay. So what does the divide command do? Let's say you have a line right over here, and then you select the line, write div divide, select the line again, and let's say I want to break this. I want to divide this line in four parts. So you just enter the number, which is 4, then just press enter right over here, and as you will select the line is completely perfectly mm, divided in four parts, and now you can do whatever is desired. Like this, you can also make lines from that. You can also use whatever is you can also use it for the center lines. You can also use it for drawing walls and whatnot. That is just this is a tool that you can explore with sky is the limit. Okay, so next command that we are going to learn about is the offset command. Its shortcut is OF and it is known as offset command right over here. So let's say I have a line right over here, and I want to make a wall that I want to make a wall of, let's say 20 inches. So I'll just write 20 and it will create a line whose distance is just the perfect 20. So what why is this command used? Is to save time. If you draw a line if you draw a line right over here, let's say like this, and then you will draw a line right over here of 20 inches, and then you will again press the right over here and again draw a line. So this makes four lines with adding distance, and this cuts down your time to 50%. And just you have to do is use the offset command and just offset the line with whatever distance you want. So that was for the offset command, which was right over here. And now we are going to learn about the command is trim. Okay, so let's say we have now trim command as in our. So let's say you have lines like this. I'll just turn off the ortho and I'll show you drawing some lines like this. So what does this actually the trim command do is that to trim lines. As the word says, trim lines is means to trim lines. So after selecting the command trim, you just have to select whatever line you want. You don't want. Let's say you want this square, then you can just trim this lines right off, and you will get your desired shape. You can also drag this command and move it around to get this rectangle right over here like this. So yeah, that was the most easy command that we use, and it is a really useful command, the trim command. I'm writing all the commands that you are learning right over here. So you can take a screenshot, you can note it down, you can draw if you want. You can practice along with this video. Just play the video a little bit slower, and you can also practice it with the video. So you can do whatever is comfortable for you. So I'm just writing it right over here. So it is just you can go through at the end. Just take a screenshot or whatever is comfortable to you. So next command that we do is the LA command, which means this display layer property. So after just typing LA, the AutoCAD will show you that you want to see layers. So yeah, that's it, and it will show all the layers that you are using in your AutoCAD file, which is right over here. You can edit, you can turn off, you can freeze, you can plot, you can change the line weight, you can change the transparency, anything you want after just doing this. So the long cut of this method is that you have to go in layers, then you have to go in layer properties, then you have to select each and every layer right from here, and this is just a faster method, a shortcut, a command which saves your time, which is LA. Don't forget it, it is right over here, LA. So the next command that we are going forward with is the PR command, which means the display of property palette. So what does this command do is that PR, as I have written over here, the display of properties palette. Just write PR and it will show you the properties that are being used in this AutoCAD file. And after popping up of this properties command, you can just select any of the object, and now you can see the property of that particular object or a layer or a line or a polyline, anything it is, it will show all the things right over here, and you can also change the things from right over here. You can close the properties command by just clicking this cross button on the top right corner of this. And that was all for the PR command of the properties palette. Next in the line is the QC command. This is really useful command. It is the display of a quick calculator. I got to know about this command very late, like in my fifth year of my BR course. But if I would have gotten this really uh, before, then my time would have saved. So you are saving your time just by seeing this 20-minute long video, and you are like going ahead 50% of the time, and you are saving 50% of the time from your colleagues. So this is the QC command, the display of quick calculator. So just by typing QC, you will know this the first command, which is the quick calculator. Just press enter, and AutoCAD will display a very quick calculator. So now you can do whatever you want, like 50 inches. This is divide, multiply, plus, minus, brackets, raise to, root. Everything is right over here. So let's say we want to do 50 into 2, and just press enter. And as you can see it right over here, your answers will be right over. You can also do use of the distance between 2 points, time, this and that, units, variable, scientific calculator, everything. From now to calculate anything, you don't have to use your phone or the calculator in your laptop. You can just do it in the AutoCAD itself. It will save a lot amount of your time. Believe me, this is a very useful command. Note it down, QC, display of quick calculator. Next in the line is is of course our favorite, my favorite. I also made many videos of errors, this and that on this command, which is the RE command, or well known as the region command. Is what does this command do is that if you're getting your AutoCAD hang, or it is going slower, or the properties are not displayed, so this is basically a refresh for your AutoCAD. Like you do refresh in your desktop, this is like a refresh in your AutoCAD. So right over here, the first command, region command, is just press enter, and your file will be regenerated, as you can see it over here written, regenerating model. So this is a kind of a refresh for your AutoCAD file, and uh, after using this command, your file will be running smoothly without any hangs, without any bugs, anything like that. So, and next in the line is the upgrade of this command, which you will get in AutoCAD 2023, which is the REA command, which says region all drawings. Gen all drawing. So let's say you have like three or four drawings open in the same AutoCAD software. Then you just have to write this command in any one of the file, which is REA, and that means that region all the files, that means refresh all the drawing files that is open in AutoCAD, and just press enter. It will regenerate all the files that are there in the model space, and you will get a refreshed file of AutoCAD, and then you can start working very quickly without any bugs, nothing like that. So next in the line is the publish command. This publish command is used to plot multiple sheet at one times. So what does this command do is that if you have your sheets set it up in the layouts right over here like this, and you have like 10 sheets all set in this layout layer, so then you can just write the command is publish, which is right over here. Then it will, and just press enter. I don't have the files ready with me right now, but this is to teach you that how to do it. So just write the command publish, and it will generate all the AutoCAD sheets to your PDF sheet in just one command, in just one click. You don't have to select all the properties every time when you want to save your file in PDF, and this will save a hell amount of time for you. So yeah, this was the publish command for AutoCAD. And the last but not the least, like, come up with commands every week, every month. Whenever I get to know any new command, I put on it to my channel. So like, share, follow, subscribe. Last but not the least command, it is the field command that creates text that automatically grabs information from your drawing. So this is a kind of a very advanced version of a command which you'll get in the most updated AutoCAD, which says that it creates text that automatically grabs information from your drawing. Automatically grabs the information from your drawing. So for this is a kind of a very long command that I have taught in my previous video, so you can go check that out. And this was a video based on the 15 most useful commands in AutoCAD, which is right over here. You can take a screenshot, you can you can pause the video and just take a note of it, stick it to your pinboard right in front of you, and look at it every day. Never forget, this is the most useful commands in AutoCAD, which will save a hell amount of time. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.